Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the energy level diagram and line spectrum of hydrogen atom. Student, earlier we are discussed that when electron is jumps from higher energy level to the lower energy level, it produce some energy and also emit photons such that its energy level diagram for the different states and the line spectrum is given by this diagram. This diagram is called energy level diagram and the line spectrum is shown as in the diagram. Okay, and the energy of the electron jumps from one state to the another lower state energy state is given by En is energy of nth orbit or nth level is minus RH C upon n square, where R is Rydberg constant, H is Planck constant and C is speed of light. When putting the value of these constant, we are getting the result is minus 13.6 upon n square electron volt. Okay, now this energy is calculated for n equal to 1 to infinite. Those we get that E1 is minus 13.6 electron volt. For n equal to 2 we get this is minus 13.6 upon 2 square. Electron volt is calculated as 3.4 electron volt. E3 is minus 13.6 upon square of 3 electron volt. It is getting as 1.51 electron volt. For E4 it is calculated as 13.6 upon 4 square. It is calculated as minus 0.85 electron volt. And for n equal to 5 minus 13.6 upon square of 5 is electron volt. It is calculated as 0.54 electron volt is also negative. And for 6 minus 13.6 6 square electron volt is calculated as minus 0.38 electron volt. And for E7 it is calculated as square of 7 is minus 0.28 electron volt. And similarly for n equal to infinite it is calculated as 0 electron volt. These are the energy level diagram and it is increase in continuum state after the as increase the final after 7, 8, 9, 10 we will get the result is increase to more than 0 electron volt. Okay, so this is the energy for the hydrogen atom. Next, the wavelength of the hydrogen atom is given by Rydberg constant R is equal to 1 upon Nf minus Ni square. Okay, this is the wavelength of each spectral line. In the hydrogen atom there are 5 spectral line is observed, in which the first spectral line observed by the Balmer in 1885, that spectral line is called Balmer series of hydrogen atom, and after Balmer it is observed that first series of hydrogen atom is Lyman series, then after Balmer, then after Paschen, then is Brackett, and last one is Pfund series. Okay, so spectral series, spectral series of hydrogen atom. First is Lyman series. Lyman series. It is in the region ultraviolet region. Okay, for NF equal to NF equal to 1 and N I equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on to infinity. The wavelength is N equal to 1 is calculated as okay, 1 minute. The wavelength for this is given by lambda is equal to R 1 upon 1 square minus Ni square. Okay, by this Ni is 2, 3, 4 and so on to infinity. So for N equal to 2, the wavelength is calculated as (1215 angstrom), and N equal to infinity, it is calculated as 911.6 angstrom. This is the maximum wavelength, this is the minimum wavelength, and this is the maximum wavelength. Okay, this is need to be remember about the region of the series also. The second series is Balmer series. Balmer series. Okay, for this the wavelength is 1 minute. It is in the visible region. In visible region. ओके, ये जो लाइन हमें मिलती है ये विजिबल रीजन में मिलती है, that is, and the wavelength of this series is r is equal to 1 upon square of 2 minus 1 upon n square. Here n is 3, 4, 5 and so on to infinity. The value of lambda is lambda for n equal to 3, and this is also called wavelength of alpha series. जो इसकी पहली और हाईएस्ट वेवलेंथ मिलती है दैट इज 65 63 angstrom, 6563 angstrom. And next is lambda n equal to infinite, that is 3643 angstrom. ये मिनिमम है, मिनिमम, and this one is maximum. Okay, similarly this is maximum and this is minimum. Okay, so first copy till this point. Next third one we are going to understood here, that is Paschen series. Paschen series. Okay, the wavelength is given by lambda is equal to r 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon n square, where n is 4, 5 and so on to infinity. Okay, so lambda for n equal to 4 is, and lambda for n equal to infinity okay. Paschen series is observed in the IR region. IR region. Okay, so copy these. After that, bracket and fund also observed in the IR region. Okay, copy this all. These are the next two. Fourth one is bracket series. It is also observed in the IR region, and the wavelength is given by the 1 upon lambda is equal to r 1 upon square of 4 minus 1 upon n square, where n is 5, 6 and so on to infinity. Next is Font series is this font series. It is also observed in the IR region, and 1 upon lambda is equal to R 1 upon 5 square minus 1 upon n square, where n is 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. Copy all these two. Next we understood about the limitation of Bohr's model, and then de Broglie hypothesis of Bohr's second postulate. Okay, the limitation of Bohr theory of atom. First drawback of the Bohr theory, that this model can successfully explain the spectra of hydrogen-like atom like helium and double of helium and lithium, but it can not explain the spectra for the complex atom. जहाँ बड़े bigger atoms it cannot able to explain the spectrum lines. Second, it cannot explain the relative intensity of spectral lines. Okay, next, it cannot explain the fine structure of some of the spectral line structure. And last is very most important point, that it fails the appearance of the large number of spectral line when the source is subjected to electric and magnetic field. Copy this. Okay, next and last topic of this chapter, atom, that is de Broglie explanation of Bohr's second postulate of quantization. When the question asked by the Bohr's that why is only the electron is found or appears in such orbits in which the angular momentum of the atom is equal to nh upon 2 pi. So this cannot explain by the Bohr, but de Broglie explained it on the basis of his matter wave, and now we understood about this explanation. First we can write the second postulate of Bohr's, that is, according to this postulate, according to this postulate, electron can only moves in those orbits in which the angular momentum of electron is multiple of h upon 2 pi, that is angular momentum L is equal to nh upon 2 pi, or we say mrv is equal to nh upon 2 pi. Okay, this is the Bohr condition of quantization of atom for its stability. Okay, now the de Broglie assumed that or explained this quantization condition on the basis of the his matter wave. According to his matter wave, the electron can move only in the straight line, or it can vibrate as a vibration of sound string or vibration of string. Like suppose we have a string which is bounded by two ends, and the atom of the string are only vibrate like this. Okay, so as per de Broglie that the atom is only revolving around the nucleus as in the form of vibration of string, and the value of n is given by, for this is 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, that is in the integral number of the atom. Okay, so if an electron is revolving around a nucleus, then according to de Broglie it can move like this. Okay, in such manner the electron can move in the nucleus. So it is quantized, and by his observation he observed that the wavelength of de Broglie, which is given by, okay, now we observed it that this is the length, and from L to point A to B for this string is 1. Okay, so this part is L by 2. So in this case it is observed that the length of string is n lambda by 2. On solving this we can calculate that 2L equal to n lambda. ये एक कंडीशन हमें मिलेगी and this we complete like this. Therefore when it complete one cycle, then its total path is 2 pi Rn, which is equal to 2L and which is equal to n lambda. De Broglie observed by experimentally this condition is only and only verified when lambda is equal to h upon 2 pi, that is 2 pi Rn is equal to nh upon 2 pi. This is the confirmation or this is the verification done by the de Broglie when the electron is revolving around the nucleus of an atom, then its path traveled by the electron for its orbit is equal to nh upon 2 pi by this formula. Okay, so he explained the condition of quantization of the Bohr's second postulate. Copy this. Okay, hence we conclude that the quantum condition for the angular momentum of revolving electron, the quantized electron orbits and energy state of the atom are due to the wave nature of the orbiting electron, which leads to standing wave under resonant condition. जब स्ट्रिंग को प्लग कर दिया जाता है तो कंटिन्यूसली क्या करती है, ऑसिलेशन करना स्टार्ट कर देती है विद द मैक्सिमम रेजोनेंट कंडीशन एंड देन इट गिव्स द कंडीशन ऑफ द क्वांटाइज्ड Bohr second postulate. Okay, copy this. Thank you.